What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out here with Brad.
Hello.
Back in the van, and we're at Raleigh Drift Track. Whoop whoop. Pretty keen. Damo's got a little private day going on. Damian Elliott, shout out. There's Hawks. Hello. Yeah, he just actually fixed my car. I haven't showed you guys yet. He fixed all the dents out of it and it's ready for paint. So yeah, you'll see that probably in the next video. But this video is basically just going to be today. Damo's rented out the track and he's got like 15 of his mates. It's a little private sesh going down.
Drifting gold.
So Brad's got the drone here. He's actually a FPV flyer now.
Trying my best.
Yep, so I'll put some footage in. Let us know what you think of his drone clips. But yeah, let's go check it out. Howdy. How are you?
Good,
see ya.
Yeah.
Thanks for the invite.
Thanks for coming.
Bit wet.
Oh, unfortunately, hopefully it won't stay too long.
That'll be alright.
Yeah.
Makes a bit of fun. What is it?
400 horsepower.
Yeah.
Just because the turbo wasn't liking it, it was just tapering off.
Yeah. Yeah, bud. Straight car.
Oh, that was the clip. Yeah.
Yeah, I bet,
To get
man.
down here with your car.
Fuck yeah.
Good fun. Can't go too rowdy because of the gate and the
Oh,
dude,
true.
the dude was like angry already because the car's too loud and I was like, oh. I'm just like taking it easy, like, you know, like,
Yeah.
not getting on it hard.
It is pretty loud.
Yeah. Maybe a bit of muscle in. There's no time. Take it easy. Yeah.
Getting a bit slippy.
So slippery. I gotta go in, change your time.
Yeah, boy, that was sick.
Didn't really get a decent fucking lap. Still fun though.
Yeah, fucking oath. Oh, bro, was that a kickflip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we go flip.
Oh, how's the fisheye? I'm on the phone, boys, today just because it was raining. Didn't want to get the Sony out of the car, but new phone and GoPro it is. And of course, Brad's going to chuck me some droney clips. Yeah, yeah. guys, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to apologise for like the lack of uploads in the past month or two. Life's been pretty hectic. I've just moved house, got a new job and stuff. Yeah, I've had a lot going on. Shout out to all you homies that have still been ordering the merch and stuff. I have still been shipping that out and you guys have been stoked, which I'm stoked too. I wish I could have taken my car out on track, but unfortunately I didn't have enough money and it wasn't quite ready. But I will be taking it out soon. I'll also be back on the BMX bike. I have had a few rides, but I just didn't want to jump in and vlog it when I'm sketchy as fuck. So hopefully the next vlog will be a BMX vlog for you BMXers out there. Yeah, thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.